And do you want to get dinner on the table fast? Then you should make this pasta because it's really delicious and it's so simple.
Awesome.
Cool.
We still have a lot of time left. Do you want to do another video?
Sure. What are we going to do? Whoa. How much time do I have?
1. All right, so you just got home. You're like, I need to make some dinner. I got 25 minutes before, like, the game starts.
That's. I love how you're cosplaying a straight white male right now.
Wow.
Before the game starts.
I didn't realize you were such a big sport.
The first thing that actually came to mind was the X-Files.
Before the X-Files, yeah. Okay, so you're in 1997.
You're in 1997. The X-Files season premiere starting in 25 minutes.
All right, so the rules are, has to include nduja, has to be stuff that we have in the fridges or the pantry, 25 minutes or less.
Yes. Set the timer.
Set the timer.
So what are you thinking about?
I'm thinking a nice little easy noodle dish along the lines of, when we get back in, I can put it all together. All right. I'm thinking these nice noodles that Sho has hanging out in the kitchen. I don't think he's using because he made lunch earlier with them. And doing sort of like a kind of a riff on a sesame noodle thing. So like using this Chinese sesame paste that we made that Bang Bang turkey recipe with, and some sesame oil, some soy sauce, and like folding the nduja into that, so it sort of emulsifies and coats it, and it's sort of like this porky, spicy background flavor in the sort of sesame noodle sauce. So that's my idea. Some ginger garlic, the pot from the recipe before works out great. Yeah, hit me. Yeah, hit me there. Boom. Sure. We have to reenact it. Got it.
I need an immediate pun.
Okay. We've used all the ones that are like, and do you want to do this, and do you want to do that? See, I think it gets hard after that. It's like, do you remember Prodigy?
Yeah.
In Rome, I saw Prodigy. I had to go, my dad took me. It was a pretty intense concert. The first time I was like 11 or 12.
11 or 12 to go see Prodigy with your dad.
Pretty great.
How do you just decide how much to put in?
When I'm messing around like this, it's kind of like carpentry. You can only cut once, so it's better to put in too little and add more than start with way too much. But we'll see, we'll find out, I don't know. I imagine for this, they only want a couple tablespoons to start, maybe like a quarter cup. You kind of want it dressing, but you don't want a crazy amount, right? Sometimes the idea is like, I want to use an ingredient. Sometimes it's a fully formed dish idea. When I have to cook at home and I don't have like, oh, I'm making this pasta or I'm making like a roast chicken, it's usually like, what can I scrounge together with what we have in the fridge?
So out of all the nduja recipes that you've been working on, what is your favorite?
I really like the bean one. The bean one was good, right? Yeah, it's like white beans, kale, and nduja, super simple. So 2 minutes on the noodles?
Ow. Yes.
2 minutes.
How much time left do you have on the timer?
7 minutes.
Can you do it?
Find out.
Do you normally rinse the noodles when they're done?
No, but for sesame noodles, how I've always made them, you do.
4 minutes.
4 minutes? All right. X-Files was on at 8:45 on Italia 1 con Mulder e Scully.
8:45 they started show?
Yeah.
That's weird.
That was like when that was like prime time shows were 8:45.
What are your thoughts? How are you feeling?
I don't know, you gotta taste it, chef.
Does it look good? Is it like the texture you want it to be?
It looks good. I think it looks good. But we won't know until we taste it. It's pretty good. I dig it.
1 minute, 13 seconds.
It's like Top Chef, but low stakes and giant. Whoa.
Pretty hefty. Oh, noodle.
Weeknight. You don't want to be hungry on a weeknight?
Wow, you're like kind of perfect, like 33 seconds. Impressive.
How much time do we have?
12, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1.
Time's up.
You did it.
Did it?
You did it.
25
You
minutes.
don't know how good it is, though.
No idea how good. No, I mean, I tasted it. Wasn't terrible. 25 minutes, noodles, done. Yeah, with nduja. Stuff we had.
You did it.
We undone did it. I'm gonna have Show try it. Since they're his noodles, I feel like he should try this and rip into it or like it. Maybe he'll like it, I don't know. I feel like he won't like it. But it's worth a shot. Show! Yeah, Show's here. Yeah. All right. The challenge was.
Hello.
Hello. First of all, hello. So anyways, the challenge was
Okay.
make a quick weeknight recipe in less than 25 minutes
Okay.
that uses nduja and stuff that we had in the fridges and pantry.
Okay.
Do you want to know what it is first or do you want to eat it first?
Let me eat it first.
All right, eat it first.
What did you think of the noodles?
I like them.
Yeah.
Mm.
There's nduja in there?
Yeah.
I feel like I would want more nduja.
Yeah, I think so too. But you get the like heat from it,
Yeah.
but the sesame is a little bit, but it's good. It just isn't like, oh, this is nduja.
I want more. I mean, it's good. I would eat the hell out of it.
If you had to rate this,
Like, of stuff Sasha has made, I feel like this is a solid, like, 5. But
Out
of
of
stuff,
5.
like, I generally eat, I think it's, like, 7, 8.
oh, so you went to 10. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
I was like,
Yeah.
definitely made better things.
Oh, yeah. Sasha made, like, 2 better things today. If I knew that Sasha hadn't made this, I'd be like, whoever it was, I'd be like, wow, you're really talented.
This is like a peek into what Sasha's like at home when he's not trying to impress anybody.
All right. Experiment done. On the fly cooking. Boom. Nduja
You don't need
dinner
to-
in less than 25 minutes. Done. Maybe something's usable in that. Maybe
Yeah,
not.
I think it was fun.